अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मैं आपकी टीचर युसरा आसिम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर कंप्यूटर साइंस। जिन स्टूडेंट्स ने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया काइंडली कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन पर भी क्लिक कर दीजिए। आज के लेक्चर में हम सेकंड ईयर की कंप्यूटर साइंस की बुक के हवाले से बात करेंगे कि उसके जो 14 चैप्टर्स दिए गए हैं, जिनमें से कुछ जो है डेटाबेसेस के हैं, कुछ सी लैंग्वेज के हैं, उनमें से मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस कौन से हो सकते हैं। लेट अस स्टार्ट नाउ। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम डेटाबेसेस को देखते हैं। तो डेटाबेसेस में आपने किन शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस को बहुत गौर से याद करना है। दैट इज डिफाइन डाटा, डिफाइन फील्ड, define data sheet, write the properties of a relation, define foreign key and also give its example. Define an entity, attribute, relationship and their examples. इनमें से हर एक की एक एक आपको एग्जाम्पल लाजमी आनी चाहिए। What are the types of relationships? इधर सिर्फ आप नाम ही बताएंगे, उनके डिटेल नहीं लिखेंगे। What is modality? Give examples. Why people use databases? Write the uses of MS Access. What is a query? Define list box. Why they are used? Write 2 advantages of DBMS. Next short question है, what is the purpose of query language? Define datasheet view. Define data integrity and how it is maintained. What is the use of index? Define composite key. How relation is formed in databases? What is entity integrity? List the advantages of a relational database management system. What is Microsoft MS Access? Create a query in design view. What is combo box and what is its difference as compared to list box? Who are DBA, that are database administrators, and list their responsibilities. Next है, what is the difference between data dependence and data independence? What is data independence? ये अलग से भी आ सकता है आपको। Define key. What is data administrator? Define data redundancy and what is the difference for data inconsistency? तो आपने data redundancy और inconsistency का difference भी बताना है। Define integrated development environment and its advantages. Define 2 database objects. Define cardinality. List different types of forms in MS Access. What is functional dependency, transitive dependency and partial dependency? और इनकी एग्जाम्पल भी देनी है। ये आपको नॉर्मलाइजेशन से जो रिलेटेड चैप्टर है, दैट इज चैप्टर 4 ऑफ डीबी, वहां से ही इनकी सारी डेफिनेशंस और इनकी एग्जाम्पल्स मिल जाएंगी। लिस्ट फाइल नेम्स फ्रॉम यूजेज पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। डिफाइन एट्रीब्यूट विद एग्जाम्पल। Why is normalization used? What is the use of wildcards? ये characters होते हैं, ये आप लोगों को 6 चैप्टर में नजर आएंगे। What is checkbox? What is transaction file? What is the difference between data and information? What is data processing? What are different types of database models? Network model, relational model, hierarchical model और how they works? इनकी डायग्राम बना के आपने बकायदा बतानी है जिस भी एक मॉडल के बारे में शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आता है। What is consistency constraint? What is a file? What is backup file? Name different types of file organizations and why file organization is important. What is the criteria to select file organization? What is the use of query language? What is the use of index in file management system? What are the advantages of file indexing? What is view? What is the purpose of using them? What is the difference between primary key and foreign key or secondary key? Who is end user? What is the difference between fixed length field and variable length field? Define data file. Next है list file types from usage point of view और functional point of view और storage point of view. इनमें से किसी पर भी आपको short question आ सकता है. What is the difference between master file and transaction file? What are the problems in traditional file approach? What is data manipulation? Next है what is the use of data manipulation language? What is database system? What are 3 examples of database system? What is difference between database and DBMS? What is data dictionary? What is the purpose of backup and recovery file? Define attribute with example. What is the use of entity relationship diagram and name the symbols used in it for attribute and entity? What are the objectives of physical database design? Define and mention difference between degree and cardinality of a relation. What is the difference between entity and entity instance? What is determinant? What are database anomalies? Their types. Explain. What is synonym and homonym problems of database? What is first, second और third normal form and how they are achieved? इनमें से किसी एक के बारे में पूछा जा सकता है. How referential integrity can be achieved? Define it. What is repeating group? ये सारे चैप्टर 4 में से हैं जो कि नॉर्मलाइजेशन वाला चैप्टर है ना आपका. Define mutual exclusiveness of data. Difference between functional and transitive dependency. Next है list different buttons available in MS Access database window. What is database wizard? Define scroll bar. What is title bar in MS Access? What is the use of data window in MS Access? What is meant by sample database? What are 2 table views available in MS Access? उनको explain करना है. Database differ from a table, but how? ये आपने बताना है. What is the use of input mask? Define sorting. What is filter? Explain its types in MS Access. How datasheet view is different from the table design view? What is the use of select query? What are 3 methods to create table in the MS Access? What specifying data type of a field and its size is important? Next है what is subform? Any 2 methods of creating subform. Its difference from the form. Define radio button and describe its purposes. Why report generator is used in database system? What is join and what is its purpose? तो सी लैंग्वेज का हम अब वीडियो लंबी हो रही है तो हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में देखते हैं कि सी लैंग्वेज के कौन कौन से शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस इंपॉर्टेंट हैं.